This short guide explains how to buy shares of the York Water Company and provides basic context about the firm. The company is a Pennsylvania water utility listed on NASDAQ as YORWUS. This content is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker YORWUS to locate the correct listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches the York Water Company. On the asset page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock for the York Water Company. Verify the NASDAQ ticker YORWUS and that the company profile corresponds to the utility business. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, you will see the position appear in your portfolio. For the example link to eToro, check the video description below